Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another non-phone work from home job lead. Real quickly, if you're new here, I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you have those notifications turned on. That way you never miss another job lead, because some of these go very quickly as they are very popular. But without wasting any time today, the company Anthology is now a part of Blackboard, and Blackboard is an education software that is used in a lot of schools. They are hiring a live chat customer service advisor. Now, customer service does not always mean talking on the phone these days. That might have been how it was in the past, but with all the technology we have today with websites and chatting functions and texting and online tickets, a lot of customer service is now done in the written form rather than verbal talking on the phone. And this is one of those that is in written form. This is for my United States folks only. And if you go all the way to the bottom here, they are only participating and can hire in certain states. The states are listed down here below. And of course, I will link this in the description box below. But they are hiring for remote work from home opportunities with immediate availability. So they are looking to hire pretty quickly. They need someone who has schedules that offer flexibility. So they're looking for someone who can resolve end user inquiries by utilizing multiple technologies, including their chat and web-based inquiries, providing complete and accurate information to customers on every live chat interaction by being able to research account activity and notes promptly and efficiently, handling and resolving situations with customers in a timely and effective manner, assisting management with special projects related to customer service, and responding to all inbound chats and assisting management for the entire shift with the exception of your assigned break times. So they are looking for someone who can work from home, sit at a desk or a computer for extended periods of time, someone who can maintain a quiet, distraction-free work environment. You have to have DSL cable or fiber internet, no dial-up or wireless or satellite. You must have either an ISP provided modem that allows a third-party VoIP or a personal modem and personal router without restrictions. They have some required minimum upload and download speeds for your internet service. You have to be able to type at least 50 words a minute. Now, they do want someone who has a high school diploma or equivalent, but no college degree is required. You do have to be 18 years old. And again, they want someone who has a variable schedule. You may have to work some evenings and weekends. Somebody who is great with organization and is detail oriented. Now, unfortunately, this job posting did not list the salary. Just a little disclaimer, I do not work for these companies. I just simply share what I find online. So you would have to ask the pay and salary at the time of the interview. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.